Today we're digging a trench. It's got to be 2 feet deep. This is going to be for the conduit for the electricity for this hot tub.
With your spade.
All right, we're clearing out some rock in the section that we need to. We have a fabric that we're going to cut. We're going to peel that open, and then we're making a section for where our dirt is going to go, because we got to pull up a lot of dirt, 2 feet deep worth. Yeah, I got it.
See where I'm going right there?
Yeah, your low spots, yeah.
So either we need to take something from there.
All right, we are about 30 minutes into smoothing that out and hardening it. That's about 2 feet deep for the trench.
Hey, is they even ask him, right?
All right, we just got the hot tub on the foundation.
You know what I'm about to say, Mr. B.
We slid it on some lumber.
What? No. We busted the concrete out.
All right, it's about lunchtime, so here is where we're at. We had a real big concrete block right there that we had to bust up and pull out. We are still trenching. We're gonna have to trench underneath the sidewalk. This needs to be 18 to 20 inches deep so we can lay the conduit. Then we'll bury it back in. We got an electrician here, so they're gonna put the disconnect right in the middle of this wall, and they're currently doing all the electrical to the panel on the inside of that building. And then our trenching's gonna go up, and then our conduit's gonna stick out right here, and the electrician's gonna connect up the hot tub. And this is gonna be really nice when it's done. This thing's huge.
The female.
All right, I got everything dug up. Got the electrician wiring it up now. This is all the correct depth. Now I'm gonna start tunneling underneath the sidewalk here to connect into there.
What do you think is going to be our best bet for getting under the sidewalk?
Taking a picture of your hands. He's taking a picture of your hands.
Oh.
There you go.
You got 5 in. What did you hear about the laborers? You know. You got my humor?
Oh, it's over here.
Okay, we got the conduit laid. It's going up into the box here.
Right? You got it. And then after that you can...
All right, tunnel under is complete. Got the conduit run through it.